Today we're going to be drawing a happy fish. You need a half sheet of paper and a circle that's a little smaller than the size of the paper. Turn the paper wide and have someone help you hold the circle as you trace around it. Once you've traced your circle, slide your circle over, but not all the way off your circle. Then use your real circle to trace a curved line on the inside of your first drawn circle. This is going to be our fish's face. The round part, big circle, is going to be the body, and that little curve we just drew will become the face. Let me show you how you can make it look more like a fish now. Inside the little section near the top, I want you to draw a small circle and color it in like an eye. This way our fish can see. Then what I want you to do is give your fish a mouth. Go to the left side and do a curved line from the edge upward towards the eye, but not touching the eye, so our fish looks like it has a happy smile. Before our fish can swim, we're going to pretend like it's near the bottom of the ocean. So on the left edge of your paper, I want you to start drawing a wiggly line underneath of your fish, like there is sand. But don't touch your fish, so that way your fish looks like it is floating. We're also going to give the fish some seaweed to play in. That's going to be a wiggly line up and down. Wiggly line up and down. It's okay if your seaweed doesn't look exactly like mine. It could just be one line, or it could be two. Now we're going to help our fish swim. On the top of your fish, you're going to draw a triangle touching the top of your fish. Now he has a top fin. We also need a bottom fin. At the bottom of your circle, make a V touching your fish. It will look like a triangle on top, but this time it's on the bottom. The next thing we need is a back fin. The back fin is going to look like two triangles or an M. See the M like the letter or the connected triangles? The last thing we're going to do is give the fish some bubbles. Bubbles are going to be circles. So you can draw circles near the middle and top of the page around your fish. You can do one circle, two circles, three circles, four circles, or even more. It's up to you how many bubbles you want. Now it's time to color. You can color it however you would like. Just make sure you use lots of bright colors. I'm going to make my seaweed green. I'm also going to make my sand yellow. The sand is the part the seaweed is coming from on the bottom under our wiggly line. I'm going to do my water next. A special trick I have is putting the object back over the fish to protect my fish and using a blue crayon to rub all around my fish. It's okay if it gets a little bit on the seaweed and on the fish's fins, because we can color those brightly again later if you need to. But this way, my fish stays nice and clean. But you do not have to do it this way if you do not want to. Now I'm going to choose lots of colors to finish and fill in my fish. You can choose your own colors, or you can use the colors I'm using. As you color your fish, you can also use bumpy lines for scales on your fish or circles. You can do them like me, or you can do your own kind of scales. When you're done coloring your fish, make sure you take a photo and send it to your teacher.